Welcome to our channel App Tutorial. And if you guys are also facing a problem where you guys open your Instagram account and it just does not load. In my case, I fixed it. That's why it's currently easily working over here. But if you're facing this problem, the moment you open Instagram, you just don't see anything. It just keeps on loading and loading, or it says try again. And I'll be telling you guys how we guys can fix this problem. And before I show you the steps on how we guys can do that, just hit that subscribe to our channel App Tutorial. And the first thing is just make sure that the internet connection is working. Sometimes it's your internet that is really slow and people just think it's the other reason, but no, make sure to check your internet. And if your internet is fast enough, to check if your internet is working, just open a YouTube and watch videos. And if it's like working easily without any issue, not loading, then it's not your internet. In that case, what could be the problem is with Instagram. In that case, what you can do is just like, if you're opening Instagram like this, just close it, simply reopen it. Sometimes doing this fixes the problem, but if it doesn't, then what you can do is go on App Store, and on App Store you want to search for Instagram. Why you want to search for Instagram is to see if there's any update. So mine says open over here, that means there is no update, it's up to date. But if you see a update button over here, that means you need to update your Instagram. And even after updating your Instagram, if your problem is not fixed, what you can do is just delete your Instagram and reinstall it again. Once you delete and reinstall your Instagram, simply a bug causes this problem, so doing this should fix your problem. If it still didn't fix your problem, the next thing you can do is to check if Instagram server is on or not. You can just search for is Instagram working and click on the first one where it says Instagram down or not working. Click on it. So over here it says no problem detected, green tick mark. That means Instagram is working. But if it shows you a red thing over here and says issue or under a problem or going under maintenance, that means Instagram servers are offline. In that case, the only thing you can do is wait until they fix it. So these are the way on how we guys can fix your Instagram account not loading issue. And make sure you're not banned on Instagram as well. If you are, then that could be the reason as well. But how to get unbanned on Instagram, we have made a video, you can watch that. So that's it for today's video. Hit that subscribe to our channel App Tutorial. See you guys next time.